are going to look at different ways of getting number of members in a set. We are still looking at number of members in a set. There are different sets which we are going to look at today, and our main concern is looking at the number of members in those given sets. Yes, before we continue with our lesson, we have our chart which is going to guide us in the lesson. The chart is here going to guide us in our lesson. And when we look at this chart, still it has this instruction telling us to find the number of members in this set, which we still have here. How do we find the number of members in a set? For example, I can find the number of members in a set. The first and the most important is to know the number of those members by counting them. For example, we have set A, set B, set D, set E, set F, set G, set L, M, and lastly set K. All these sets here on our chart are given different names, but the members are not necessarily the same. Set A, remember we name a set using letters of the alphabet, and they should be capital letters. When we look at the first four sets, then we come to this, and this. They are different in the way they have been written. The first ones, we have used curly brackets, and this one here, and this, we have used diagrams. You realize that when we use curly brackets, each member is separated using a comma. Then the brackets beginning and also ending after writing the last member. And when we use diagrams like for set F, set G, and set M, there is no need of putting commas, and you will realize that the arrangement of members on the diagram does not matter. If we first write this, then this, that same set can be written on the diagram, beginning maybe with this member, then this one. That arrangement does not matter. Then our set K and E are special in their own ways. When we look at set E, what are the members in that set? They are talking about all days of the week. And set E, they are talking about months of the year. Here, they have not put them down, and even in set K, the months of the year are not written down. But let us remind ourselves about members in this set. Other sets are clear, but look at set E in particular. We have set E, which has all days of the week. What are those days of the week? Remember, we have 7 days in a week. If we are to list it down, all the members in this set, because of this one, the all, we shall have set A, open the bracket, we have Sunday. After a Sunday, we have Monday. We have Tuesday. We have Wednesday. Thursday. All these are members of set E. After Thursday, we have Friday. And lastly, we have Saturday. And close the bracket. All these members belong to set E. They are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Since it is talking about all days of the week. And when you look here, you also look here. They are telling us something about number of members in a set. Therefore, in set E, we can say the members are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And here we say set E. A capital E has 7 members. Why 7? 7 has been bought by counting these members. And since they are talking about number, of course, that's why we have counted. Set E has 7 members. Let's have a short break. We shall be back and continue with this.
Time now for Fan Fact.
Welcome back from break. Forward for break, we are still looking at our special set E. Our special set E having all days of the week. And we put them down here in our set E. And after counting them, since we are looking at the number of members, in this case, set E. And after counting, we saw that they are 7. And it is here. But remember we said there is another way of writing this sentence. Instead of saying set E has 7 members, we shall just have our letter N. N standing for number. Put this bracket. Name the set which we were talking about. In this case, we are talking about set E. Then keep it there by putting this bracket and put equal signs. This N here stands for number. If this one is here, then it will be number of members in set E. Number of members in set E. You realize that this is a small n. Don't put N because it will confuse us. Always the number, this letter N, standing for number, should always be a small n. And here, since we have already counted and they are 7, just write 7 standing for number of members in set E, which came from here. Instead of now writing the whole sentence, set E has 7 members, just have that. According to what we have here, there is also another special set which we have to look at. It doesn't have its members written down, but it has a sentence which says months of the year as set K. They are members of set K. But since we are looking for the number of members in the sets given here in set K, we cannot get those members unless we put them down. Now, the members in this set, let us put them down like this. They are originating from set K. And this time, let us just list them down. Let us not put them in the set, but let us list them down. After listing them down, we shall have to count them. Remember, we are talking about months of the year. Months of the year. Since we are in the year 2012, we had 2011. After that, we came to 2012. There are particular months which are there in a year, in every year. And the months are 12. The months of the year are 12. So here we are just listing down members of set K as the first one being January. That is the first one. The second month being February. The third, March. We have January, February, March. We have April. After April, we have May. We have June, July. After July, we have another month called August. Then we have September. We have October. After October, we have November. And our last month, December. Now, these are the members of our set K. They are talking about months of the year, which are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and lastly, December. These are the months of the year. The first one being January and the last one December. And we need to know how many they are. We shall know how many they are by counting. We have 1, 2, 3, 4,
Let's have some fun with numbers. So what's the answer, kids?
Yes, welcome back from break. Before we went for break, we were still counting our members in set K, talking about months of the year. And here they are. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Therefore, our set K has 12 members. Set K has 12 members. We can have this as in standing for number of members in which set it is set K. And since we have counted them, and after counting, we have come to 12. Therefore, there are 12 months in a year. Here we have learnt a lot. We have learnt the months of the year. We can have their spellings also. And we have also counted. There has been counting, there has been naming months of the year, and the spellings can also be learned from here. We can say January is spelled as J A N U A R Y. That is the spelling of the word January. And other months can also be spelled like July. We have J U L Y spelled as that, and the month is July. Since we are looking at number of members in this set K, this is what we have. As I said at the beginning, that we are first looking at the special sets as E and F. That is what we have done first. And now these other sets will be coming in. Like we can have set A, our set A, as number of members. A is standing for number of members. In which set? The set is A. This is the set. The set is A. Then how many members are they? They are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Therefore, here we just say that number of members in set A is 5. What about in the second set? The second set is set B. When we count, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just right there, your number 4. Meaning that there are 4 members in set B. Next set is set D, having 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So our set D has 5 members. We still have more sets as set may be L. What are those members in set L? Set L is here with 1, 2, and 3. So the members in set L are 3. Remember, N is standing for number of members, and the L is standing for the name of the set. We have had number of members in set A, number of members in set B, number of members in set D, then number of members in set A. But coming back to our chart, we have this other set M. How many members does it have? It has 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the number of members now in set M is 4. Then our set B having 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we say set B has 4 members. If we don't say that, we just say the number of members in set B. The number of members in set B is 4. And lastly on our chart, we have set F with 1, 2 as its members. Therefore, we say set F has 2 members, or just begin with N. N for set F. And the answer is 2, saying the number of members in set F is 2. We have been looking at number of members in any given set, and we have seen that we get those numbers by counting. We have come to the end of the lesson. I remain Teacher Halima, and bye.
Sarah says,
Do not waste me. Let me learn.
that's all, kids. Bye-bye.
Uganda Fast.
Patriotism program in secondary schools was launched in 2009 by His Excellency the President of the Republic